Here at JBTV, we recently upgraded our cameras to the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II.
Not only has it made shooting vertical video easier than ever, it's also helped us nail the look of our content in camera.
This video is shot entirely on the ZV-E10 Mark II, so keep watching to see what it can do. If you make any kind of photo or video content, this camera is going to be your best friend. The 10-bit video quality and 26-megapixel APS-C sensor are a serious step up from your phone's camera, producing fantastic 4K 60 footage and stunning photos.
Thanks to the vari-angle LCD touchscreen, you can monitor your framing even when you're on camera. And swiping in from the sides reveals touch icons that let you quickly change features.
The ZV-E10 Mark II also has real-time tracking and eye autofocus, ensuring faces are always kept in focus. But if you also shoot with products, the product showcase button makes it easily switch focus to anything you hold up.
The lightweight body is also perfect for run and gun shooting with the included NP-FC100 battery, allowing up to 195 minutes of continuous movie recording per charge. And finally, 5 GHz wireless connectivity makes this the ideal camera for live streamers.
Say goodbye to fix it in post. The ZV-E10 Mark II helps you get it right the first time. The Creative Look feature lets you quickly choose a visual style for both stills and video, with 10 presets that can be further customized to suit the tone you're going for.
There's also the cinematic vlog setting, which helps you capture cinematic footage in camera. You can choose a look and a mood, enhancing skin tones and emphasizing specific colors.
If you know your way around color grading tools, you can push your brilliant 10-bit 422 footage by shooting in S-Log 3, which gives you an even wider dynamic range. Or you can load your personal LUTs onto the camera to guarantee you get the look you want.
But if you're just after some beautiful bokeh, the background defocus button adds some depth to your image with just a press.
If you're after a new camera for content creation, check out the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II.
Swing by your local JB and chat with our friendly staff to pick one up.